Imagine that you have been painting a whole day. When you are done, will you use plastic bag to store your paint roller? Or maybe you will spend a lot of time trying to rinse it? Unfortunately, your paint roller may be dry, ruined, or sticky the next day, so you have to throw it away. We have found a solution to eliminate all these issues. Let me introduce you to PROVKEEPER, a practical tool that stores your paint roller in seconds. It is easy, clean, and 100% airtight. For short-term storage, just insert the wet paint roller in the PROVKEEPER and put on the lid. Or for long-term storage, you can simply put the roller inside the PROVKEEPER, squeeze it, and remove the handle without even touching the wet paint. Then put on the lid and slightly turn it. Underneath, there is a space where you can type the actual color code. By using PROVKEEPER, you can make a neat system for storing your paint rollers away from dirt and dust, either in your car or office. With PROVKEEPER, you can keep on painting day after day, week after week, without having to clean or change your paint roller.